Yo, what up, Jim Blapp? Damn, this thing's just going for it. Bro, you need 200 to pass? Bro, you can get 200 to pass. Bro, Maria, the new puppy? Yo, let's see a picture of the new puppy. I want to see a picture of the new puppy and put it in the Discord if you can. I'm just setting this up. I'm still setting this stuff up. Oh, they're just going to dump it. I'm going in to look. Ah, cute picture. Dude, that's a puppy? That's not a puppy. Dude, that thing looks massive. Puppy? That's a big dog. Yeah. Yeah, he's 2 years old. Yeah, I was just saying that's a big dog. Yeah, that's true. I'm freeing up some space on my there we go. Got it again. Got it again. Yo, what up, Vince? Yeah, Maria, I made money with PPI. I did $758 in there. I did $700 in that account. And then I played gold today. 823 in XFA on gold. I took basically this up. I basically took that all the way up. I'm just looking to see. I don't think I need all these. I don't need all these indicators. Yo, new day opening gap. We've bounced off here a couple times. Interesting. 54. You know what I was looking for? I don't think they got it. What up, PG? It was, dude, where did it go? Oh man. It's one of these fucking indicators that has the yellow line, and I don't know which one it is. There's the yellow line. Which one is it? Oh, basically it's new day opening gap. Yeah, so if we get up there, take the rejection. Yo, what up, Geronimo? We're back, Mama Tick. We're so back. So back. I'm just trying to get a little bit of here, a little bit there. I feel like it's getting heavy. I definitely feel like it's getting a little heavy. I'm with you on that. I'm looking for 374 rejection. I don't know if we're going to get up there, though. That would be the ultimate rejection to me. That's an order block on the hourly. 378, 374, 378. That would be my spot to short if we get up there. It's a long ways up, though. Lows are just as long on the downside, too. I would love to see a big pullback in the market in general. Yo, is that actually your dog, Mike? This is chop, though. This is definitely chop. Scotsman just got into a... Is that a gold position? I don't know if Scotsman's on here. I think he just got into a gold position long. Damn, look. Came back up into the orb and just took it. Took it to the house. We're just so tight. Tight. Chopped up and lose accounts over just, going back and forth the whole time. Yo, what up, Corey? It's so easy to just do it. Yo, I see. What are you in gold long, Scotsman? Is that what you're in, your gold? Oh. These are all like the ICT what do you call it? I don't know why this isn't showing. CVDS. Did something happen to that indicator? I think something just happened that indicator's done. Oh, they changed. Oh no, here it is. It's just not registering. It's so weird. But these are all the flux charts. I don't know. I added it on there for a look. For the look. Oh, yo, market's not. I mean, the market's been choppy. I mean, you take what you could take. Corey, the ultimate gold setup was today. I'll show you. I'll show you guys why I loved gold. First of all, Mike brought it up. Flux capacitor charts. So I don't like gold on the 1 minute. I like gold on the 5. So if you go to the 5, you have this order block right here. So basically, you tested the order block yesterday and it rejected, right? Caused this massive sell-off. You rip all the way back up to it and then you break it. Then when you retest the order block, which is now a breaker, I want to take it to the upside. And that's the move I took. The real move, if I was watching it, would have been either the retest kind of right here in the fair value gap, or when it broke back over 145. I'm sure there's other reasons why other people have taken it, but that was my reason. 4-hour break or sweep. Yeah, I didn't even look at it. Let me see. Oh, right here. It's getting into supply, though. If you look on the 4-hour now, you're running right into, I mean, it's a massive zone. It's a $40 zone, but you're running back into this breaker block from the downside. When you broke it on this candle and dumped, now we're coming back up. We're testing it. I would almost, dude, you could probably short this right here if you're willing to stop out $40 higher. It's a big stop. It's a big stop. What up, Cube? What up, TiVo? Oh, yeah, you're looking for 5 points. I'm looking at the, you know, if you broke this and came back, I'm out of gold though. I made really good money. I'm out. I got paid. Yes, you have to get 2,000 on take profit before you can get a payout. But also, after you're over 2,000, I guess the split is 80-20 until you make a little bit of money. Then it becomes 90-10. Topstep is 50-50 for 30 days. Also, there's no, I don't want to say there's like no, I mean, I guess both kind of have no rules, but you don't have to wait 5 days. Like, you don't need 5 days of $200 to take a payout. Like, if you hit it for 10,000 in one day, you could take the money out right away. You're not sitting there saying, oh, I need 4 more days of $200 or more. Like, you're out. I can't trade Asia. I would say, listen, I trade both. Like, I made 823 in my day one XFA today. But, you know, if I had to choose which one, take profit trader is the better one. What's up, Mara? What up? What up? Yeah, I would say that. I mean, this is freaking tight. We had PPI this morning, and we haven't gone anywhere. I mean, just look, it's been a chop fest. Been nothing but a chop fest. Yeah, Tony, I played the news. I live streamed it. Yeah, I live streamed it. I made 758 here. I did it in 2 accounts, 758 and 707. I did it for everybody. What up, Walter? Yeah, Amelia, I bet it was a fight. We're just kind of chopping. Gold just trucking along. Anybody trade like crude oil in here? Crude oil, like home heating oil, anything that's not NQES or gold. What up, Deba? Oh, geez, Cube. Oh, Cube. So you trade oh no, it's from a copier. Dude, that sucks, man. Yo, you trade Diddy oil? Trade some Diddy oil? I mean, this is patience. You just gotta be patient. You trade natural gas? Oh, that's copper. Was it? Is it N? I don't know. Slow but nice. I'm loving YM. I was looking for something that was kind of completely I was looking for something that was like you trade on the 15-minute chart where I could trade in my personal account and I'm not worried about every tick. I'm not staring at it. I'm going to look at natural gas. I'm going to look at some of these on the higher time frames, and I might start trading it my personal. That was kind of my something I was thinking about. Oh man. Just let it ride. 3-minute. What up, Sean? Natural gas is the widowmaker. Just waiting for a setup, I guess. The right setup. I've never done. I know CL moves and Ho. You ever play that Ho? Bro, home heating oil. Huh. Home heating oil could have you living in a cardboard box in a day. Home heating oil moves around like a crazy. Serious traders in natural gas. I've never played it before. I've played this though. HO. Bro, that hoe took my money. I can tell you that right now. What up, ZK? Well, it's on my list. It's on my list. Yo. CT, you ain't kidding, man. When I first got into prop firms, I was trading Ho like, oh man, I blew so many accounts. It wasn't even like trending. It was just like going all over the place. I was like, I'm done. I'm out. Stay away from Ho. Dude, it smoked me, man. It took all my stuff. I came back, the house was empty. Crazy. I'm using it on a 150K account, which gives me room. Yeah, I got to look at some of the other ones. Do you trade it overnight or is that another during the day thing? Because I'm looking for more like stuff that moves outside of normal trading hours. I'm looking for, like something like that, I guess. Keith, I would think today is good for you because if it's ranging, you could sell or buy on the ranges and just make money. You're not getting blown out on a trending day. If you're DCAing, a trending day can blow your back out. But if you're just chopping, when you get in high, you kind of sell low. You're trading fibs now? You added fibs in there, or you went away from RSI, or what'd you do? I know gold moves during Asia. That I know. Let me check it out. Yeah. Yo. Yo, that's so true. You know what's funny? I wonder who somebody in this world applied for a mortgage and showed the mortgage company their prop firm account and was like, "Look how much money I have in my account to get a mortgage for their house." I guarantee it has happened. I'm a man of 1,000 strategies. Yo, there's definitely somebody that logged in and like took a screenshot and was like, "Look, I got 50,000 here, 100,000 there," and was like, "That's 200,000 I have, and I'm just applying for this loan." Dude, I watched that. I just watched that again. Yo. Bro. I took a short. I mean, the market's not moving. We're kind of at the top of the range. We rejected at the 15-minute orb, and I'm just that's where my stop's at. This is also a product of nothing really going on in the market. So I'm trying to take a shot at something, not necessarily the A plus setup. Dude, come on. Please dump it one time. This slow ass grind up market. NQ ES is over 5,900. That's bullish. Yeah. Tell me you just top ticked me. At least now just go for it. Don't top tick me and come back down. Now I want to see you go to the moon at this point. I'm in at 329. Where the fuck is this from? $357. Damn. Anyone have the balls to short this? I'm not shorting this. Am I? Am I shorting this? Oh, don't make me do this. 354 on the out. What did I say before? 370. 370 what? Oh yeah, 370. Here we go. I'm in. I'm in short. Dude, it's rocking, Luca. You ain't kidding. Nothing like a good old ad on the way down to see what happens. Gold took highs. All right. I made 25 on that one, and I made 185 on that one. All right. I made all my money back plus interest. See, I took that off this 15-minute order block. I think that we can. I would love to see this setup, actually. Trade back to 50 right in here. You got the pivot point at 50. Trade right into this zone and then bounce. Dude, somebody asked me to do this the other day. Where I just start buying fucking single micros on the way down. I don't know why they did. Somebody asked me to buy like all these fucking micros. On the way down. I have no idea why. What the fuck? Oh, dude, gold fucking took off. Damn, gold. Come back in this zone. Bro, I can't buy any more contracts? Hold on one second. I like it. See how we traded back in here? My stop is, I'm going to have a wide stop here because I'm going to add probably. Yo, what up, David? I got a wide stop. I could post my strat for gold. Yo, throw it in there. Throw it in the Discord. I like strategies. Like that guy from Idiocracy. I like money. Oh, look at this little flag action. Yo, flip, flip, flip. So you got the new day opening gap up here. I am definitely going to short up here. 390, 384. I'm going to add up here if we get. You guys play the new day opening gaps? They tend to work. Am I really going to take? I'm not going to take a pro account up here. I can't bring myself to do that. Let's go. Come on. Y'all, I'm moving my stops up, boys and girls. Let's go. Bro, is that money or what? Keep going. Keep going. Dude, I'm telling you, that's the money fucking setup, guys. Oh. It was right there. Look at it. You broke it, you came back right in, and then we bounced right out of there. Same thing here. You broke, you came back, you retested it, and you bounced out of it. Same thing with gold. Gold, we broke over it, came in, and then out. It's like the fucking money setup. I mean, listen, everyone's got their shit. It just works. It just works. I am definitely, though, looking to take a short up here. I would stop out at like 404 probably. All right, we're going to leg into this thing. I'm just going to leg into it. No pullback. I have us hitting our head at the new day opening gap right here at 380. So a close over basically 400 is null and void. So I'm in. I'm in it to win it, people. Gold to the downside or the up? Is gold just ripping? Dude, gold is nice. You don't like the imbalances below? You could target them probably. Oh, yo, Amelia, you up? Nice move. I missed it, but I can't complain too much since I'm green. Yo, green is green. Green is green, baby. Yo, hoe trader. Yo, if you're trading home heating oil, you are essentially a hoe trader. Yo, that and all I kept saying when I was trading it, all I kept saying was ho, like fucking hacksaw Jim Duggan. What up, Lee? Design F gold. I went long gold last night. Now I can't walk. Why? You should be up. Dude, gold was awesome today. Gold paid the doctors, boy. I mean, I'm in the. Yo, what up, David? David Molina subscribed. Yo, if you're on the stream, say what's up, David. What's the new? I mean, we're in the new week opening gap right here. We traded all the way up into the new day opening gap. So I'm just kind of trying to take a short off of it. See this line right here at 392? That's like where the indicator. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. You know what I'm saying? I'm in it to win it. What up? What up, everybody? You know, I have a zone that I wanted to buy and add in. This is the zone, right? So that's the trade. And, you know, I got to be okay with the results. You know, this is what I play. And, you know, I back tested it. And I got to be okay with whatever happens, right? Now, don't get me wrong. We get down here. I'm starting to take some off. Like we go to 73, 74. I'm going to take some off. And not only going to take some off, I'm then going to start moving my orders to break even. It's like I'm not in this for, I'm not looking to go all the way back down here or something. But, I would definitely Where's Ray? I have no idea. Ray was in here before. Boom. Is he sure? I have no idea what Ray's doing. Come on. Oh, they're going to drag this out. Yeah, well, they'll probably should have waited for that, right? I was playing off of the New Day opening gap, and I'm about to get fucking hosed. So what happens when you don't follow your rules? Completely stopped out. No way did I just get fucking stopped out at the top. No fucking way did I just get stopped out at the top. Yo, I'm holding this until the fucking end of time. They literally just stopped me out at what could have been the top. I am... Dude, I can't even believe that shit just happened. Bro, I was literally the fucking top. All right, I got $400 back. Bro, that was insane. Oh, jeez. Unbelievable, bro. Unfucking believable. Yo, how'd you miss it, P? It was open for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. How'd you miss it? I just got hoard. Yeah, I saw that, Waldo. Swept the highs of yesterday. Yeah. Was it 394 is the first fair value gap that it would invert? Oh, come on. Is it going to go back up? I'm just wondering if they hold like 400 here and push it back up off the 9, but they're not. Bro, them stopping me out at the fucking top was ridiculous. Bro, if they didn't stop me out at the top, I would almost be back to break even right now. Feeling so good about myself. Instead, my account's down $600 since I got in that fucking trade. Isn't that crazy? It was one big green fucking wick that did it. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Yo. Look at it. Fucking, this is a green trade. When it comes down here, I would be green in it. What up, DBT? Yo, I'm glad you guys made money, though. I mean, that's what it's about. Oh, I got so fucking topped right there. It was like a wick. It was just like this little wick that just popped it. Oh, man. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy talk. You going long, Waldo? Come on. Keep pushing, baby. Oh, yeah. Give me some of my money back. Give me my money back. I want my money back. Oh, man. What up, free humanity? The sim market makers are watching me. Bro, the sim market makers are on the stream. It would have been nice if there was a fair value gap right there. There isn't. Wait, there might be. Fucking five. Where's the 5-minute? M5. Oh, I was hoping there was a fair value gap right here that we traded into. When we traded out, I would have taken it. Yo, Sean, did you see your silver bullet entry was at 355? Sean? Did it. I passed my... congrats, BK. Sean, did you take the 355 entry for the long on that or no? Off to lunch? Oh, dude, Sean, look. I'll show you on the... Was it? No. I was looking at something else. Did it not create at 10 o'clock? Why did it not create a... Did I not set it up right? Oh, motherfucker. I didn't have it enabled. Oh, I didn't have it enabled. Oh, that sucks. I was looking at something completely different. I mean, I didn't play it, but I was looking at something completely different. Sometimes better to be lucky than good, but I wouldn't play it. There's a big fireball in the sky. What is it? What? My trading view keeps getting all jacked up for some reason. How many tabs you got open? I got a lot of tabs open and mine gets messed up. Oh, gonna dump it. Gotta dump it. Honestly, if they dump it, it looks pretty good. I'm in a little size. And if they bring it below here, I'm in a third of his size. If they bring it, I'll go full size if they bring it. If they drop it low, I'm gonna add what up, bum? Bring this down. Just can't sell it down, man. Where the fuck are the sellers at? Who's buying up here? Come on, baby. I don't know who's buying. I'm not buying. Somebody's buying up here. I like the lower highs if it's kind of in a flag area. Cool. Don't let me draw the line. Why can't I? Kind of flagging right here. I liked it better here if you broke down. That I liked better. Here, now it's kind of making more of a flag that could push to the upside. I really wanted this candle to be a down, like a down candle. I wanted more of a push. Now that we're kind of flagging, you know, yeah. Yeah, you got higher lows. Oh, man, everything I fucking do today in this account is smoked. Everything I do in this account just gets fucking demolished. I should have stopped for 2 seconds. I'm just going to stop for 2 seconds before I fucking just go all in. See, this to me, that we're not able to break over it, I would expect us to come down. There we go. Fucking stop me out and then go. What? Just keep buying, just keep adding. What is the My Funded Futures deal? I'll look right now. I'll look right now. $30% off expert plans. Yeah. 30% off expert plans is what I got. Dude, I thought you had some. What do you call it? That's what I got. 30% off expert plans. Joe, it says to resets too, which is interesting. I'm just going to be honest with you. I would go get a take profit trader account over a 30% expert plan. Take profit trader account's cheaper. Just throwing it out there. Take profit traders 30% off, zero activation fee, and you could trade. You can trade however you want, and you get daily payouts. Yeah, that's the only reason, Sean. Nothing like getting stopped out at the bottom and just watching it go. Dude, they fucked me so hard today. Yeah, I would have got out. I was in. My first take profit was 11, and my other one was at 22. I would have gotten both. Fuck me, man. So bad. Sometimes I wonder why I even use stops. Yeah, I don't know. Couldn't tell you. Oh. Yo, you're literally getting cooked? Why? What are you just getting yo-yoed around? You getting yo-yoed? I'll be honest with you. Even if my funded futures was less, I'd probably still go get a take profit trader account. Honestly. It would have to be significantly less for me to not get a take profit trader account. Yeah. Oh. I mean, you could have I got stopped at the top, Dell. Every day, it's always one fucking account. One account that does me in. YOLO. Bro, the end of the day is usually good. It's like a happy ending, CT. It's like a happy ending. The end of the day, you leave happy. Honestly, at this point, we are. I mean, we're right at yesterday's highs. I can't buy this. I mean, they're going to have to bring this fucking down. I don't. Yo. If you're lucky, you get a gummer. Methodical. Get a gummer to end the day. Flip is about to go to his neighbor's house. Dude, they just put in a massive dildo candle. I mean, I would assume we're going to see the pivot point. Gold is just trending. Look at this gold trade. Gold is literally just trending up. Yo, Scotsman, teeth out, baby. Take some teeth out. Yo, did you get in that new Tesla bot? I mean, that was the fucking break. They stopped me out at the bottom. Like, that's crazy. That's how my day's been. Flagging, I get stopped out at the bottom, and then it goes. I mean, we just swept Asia highs. What up, Marie? Marie, I could tell Marie right now is up money. I have this feeling that Marie is up money. Marie, hit us with it. How much you up? No, I lost money on the copper trade, Marie. I got stopped out. Did you hold it? Didn't we long it yesterday? Didn't we long the copper trade yesterday and it dumped? It ended up dumping. Now it's up, but it dumped. Copper did me dirty. Dirty. It's all good. All good. Made some money on gold today. Dude, this thing just took it to the house, man. Just took it to the house. I'm just looking to see what else I could do. You're long in copper? Oh, I mean, we're just trending up. There's nothing you can really do about it right now. I wouldn't really look for a short yet. Kind of looks like this. I think we are going to go down at some point, but they just bought it back up. I mean, just bought it back up. Nothing you could do about it. Except for just watch it. I can just watch. I don't even have an area where I'm like, oh, this is the area I would short at. Like, probably invert a fair value gap is probably what I would say. If we invert, you know, it's still risky. Still risky, like 433. What up, Nao? Or hold if you're already in. Yeah. I mean, if you're in, just keep riding it. There's no reason to do anything. It's super strong right now. I was thinking about just getting gold. But even gold looks way overextended. Like way overextended. Yo, you ain't kidding, Knob. I'm wondering the same thing. I'm up here wondering what the catalyst is. But there you go. That actually broke the flag to the downside. Dude, I'm taking what I can get here. I got like a little over $100. I'm just trying to get my drawdown in a better spot. And then I could take a big shot at some point. You got to get the drawdown low enough, and then you could take the big money shot to see what happens. Just close your eyes before you do it. The moment I go, dude, what would make you go long up here? Like you missed it. We all missed it. This was the break for the leg up. Just let it consolidate. Let it consolidate. Yo, $120 for a frying pan. Oh. The day of fuckery. I just don't understand what people love about like the tariff deal isn't even a done deal. It's a pause. Wait until we're like 50 days in and there's no deal yet. People are going to be like, but they paused it. I would love to come all the way back down. I don't know if that's going to happen. Oh, here you go. First FVG to the downside. Stop at 33 if you're feeling lucky. I want a big fucking dump. There we go. There we go. Got about 200 back on that. 200? So I'm going to have to work this shit all the way back. All the way back. Honestly, you could have something that's similar to this happening where you're going to come down to close to 34 and they're going to bounce it back up. I don't necessarily think this is a full trend change. Honestly, look at this shit. You're going right into this 5 and 15 minute breaker. Not only that, You're retesting the top of the breaker on the hourly. Honestly, 414, I'm fucking buying. It looks like it's going to dump, but see what happens. Bro, I'm not even there's no stop loss on this fucking play. Come on. Come on. I want to see a push. Dude, I am fucking getting in this thing. Did that not freaking get me? Hold on one second. What just happened? My bad if I'm not reading the chat. Looks like it's going to dump free longs. I'm not free longing shit. That I'm I don't. It looks like it's going to dump, but I don't think it's going to. Let's see what happens. I could be completely wrong. This isn't the first time I'm fucking wrong. Definitely not the first time I would be wrong. Oh, I didn't realize I was long 10 MQs. Come on. I want to get out half right there. Only because this is a pro account. What the fuck? Yo, I'm just going to tell you one thing. I played the same fucking setup. I'm out. I'm out. And I'll tell you why I love this setup so much. You guys want me to go over this real fast? Guys, this was like a fucking A+ setup. All right? So just listen up. I know it looked like it was going to dump. Everybody was like, it's going to dump. Just hear me out. You know, so you got to bring up. I just want to make sure I'm out of everything. Hold on. Out. Right? I'm out. I'm fucking out. Okay. Cool. So if you look on the higher time frames, you basically have all these breakers that are all lining up. This is the hourly, the 15, and the 5. I mean, I love the breaker retest, and you could see that it played out today. Also, if it's still on the chart, I don't know if it's still here, but the breaker retest is fucking money. Here's the gold breaker retest too. Look, order block broke, retest up. Order block, break, retest up. Order block, break, retest up. Listen, I always play first touch. Once it kind of goes, I kind of am not, time of day also. We're at lunchtime. I'm probably done after the first touch. I'm even when I play pivot points, first touch is always the best. I'm not looking for the second, third, because if you drop a ball, the first bounce is always the biggest bounce. After that, whatever. You could still play it like it's technically still in play. What indicator is it? It's order blocks and breaker blocks, Lux Algo. Like technically you could still play it as long as it continues to hold. I just like the first time we trade into it. Honestly, we already had other breakers that we traded into, and we're pretty fucking high at this point. Like, so if you were playing the NQ, I'll just watch this. I'm going to get rid of all the noise, right? All the noise on the chart, and I'm going to show you. Here we go, guys. All right, look. All it is order blocks and breaker blocks, right? We broke it. We wick down. We retest. We go up. We break it. We come down. We retest. We go up. You know, we break it. We test it. We go up. It happens a lot. You obviously have a stop. Your stop is a close under the block. Once it closes under, you're out. A lot of times the order blocks, end up being, resistance as well. I played them to the short side, like something like this. You could definitely play it from the bottom to the short, but when you don't make a lower low and you kind of hold and push back in, that's when you're probably getting out. But you could definitely play it for a scalp off. I've done that before. But, if you're on a trend, that's kind of the move. Look, we held it again. You're coming up. Thumbs up. I don't know. I'm just trying to share my knowledge. Listen, don't follow me. I'm just trying to share what works for me. And that's it. Like right now, I would be long until we, 401, a close under 400 is probably where I would stop out at. I'm not buying up here. The buy was right there. And look at where we're going, guys. Yes. You don't have to take a lot of trades, but that's why I went balls deep in that. I mean, obviously it's still going. But I like the first pop was what? 22. I got 15 points out of it. Came down, retested. If you wanted to, you could have taken it again. Either stopped out, low a wick or, down here under 400. And it went again. 3 inches in. Methodical, you play order blocks and breaker blocks or not really? I kind of like them personally. But as we continue going up, like, am I going to keep playing them over and over? Probably not. At some point, I feel like they get less, we'll call it less strong. Here's an order block that we might trade back into. Yeah. So, like, we traded back into it. You could have taken the trade out. Like, if you moved your buy at, like, 426 and then you'd stop out at 414 if you were going to play that one. But, guys, I got to eat. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. If you want to trade at the end of the day, grab a Take Profit Trader account. But yeah, I'll be back at 2 o'clock, 2:15. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. A lot of chop happens during lunch, boys. Mitigation is key. If it's tapped more than once, yeah. Yep. It's always the best time when you tap it the first time. Just remember that. All right, I'm going to go eat. I'll be back at 2:15. I need to eat and get a coffee. All right. Peace. That was an awesome trade to end the day, by the way. That was fucking awesome.